will show how normal tangent graph go uphill and a normal cotangent graph go downhill. Well, as you can see that the dashes pink line is represent a tangent graph because going uphill. Well, the explanation for going uphill is because from here to here is 1 period for tangent graph. And actually that 1 period contains 2 quadrants. So we're missing the other 2 quadrants, and the other 2 is one before this asymptote and the other one is after the second asymptote. Well, the first part, which is right here, is actually give us a positive value of y, so that tangent is positive. Well, it's getting positive. It means that it's actually in quadrant 1. And in quadrant 1, we know that all trig function are positive. Here should be quadrant 2. And because quadrant 2, only sine and cosecant are positive, it explains why tangent is negative. And because of that, we actually draw the y value going down. And then the second half of this period from 5 pi over 2 to this point will contain quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. In quadrant 3, we know that tangent is positive, so it explains why the line going up. After that, we have the quadrant 4, and the quadrant 4 started when the line is negative and is going down, because only cosine in quadrant 4 is positive. So that's why it shows how tangent is going uphill. Well, the reason for cotangent going downhill is that we know cotangent equal 1 over tangent. That means the line actually flipped. So the pencil line showing cotangent. And as you can see, that tangent started from uphill and then going down. Well, one of the reasons is that because it's flipped, that's why the line actually flipped as well, like a mirror, when you just like the line between the borderline between those two, and when you flip it, it turns into a positive sign. And the pink line with the positive side flip and turn to the negative sign. And as it turned to like this, the quadrant actually changed. As we draw cotangent, this first part will be quadrant 1, the second part will be quadrant 2, and quadrant 4 will be right here, and quadrant 3 will be down here. And it explains why the sign is different, that is influencing the graph, and also the reciprocal of, the ratio of the unit circle between cotangent and tangent that make the graph look different.